Race number 2 of the afternoon, the Carl and Marge Mackenzie Memorial Stake. First division of the 3-year-old pacing fillies has Misfit, AA's Glory, April Dawn Star, Show Hall, Independent Gal, Good Morning Beautiful, and Larshi Comes. They're off and pacing. AA's Glory, April Dawn Star, those two out vying for the early lead. Show Hall comes away third and will cross over to grab a seat at the rail. Also finding room at the rail in 4 as they head by the opening 8th. And into the backstretch is Independent Gal. Unhurried back there, racing in 5 is Misfit. Then followed by Larshi Comes, and Good Morning Beautiful is sitting at the back of the field. Single file into the backstretch as they arrive at the opening quarter now, led by AA's Glory. The lead a length and a half. In the pocket second is April Dawn Star. Followed out the rail in 3 by Show Hall. Independent Gal takes a look at a 4, campaigning the rail in 5. That's Misfit. To the outside goes Larshi Comes from 6, and Good Morning Beautiful is still back treading in 7. 28 and 2 was the opening quarter. They continue off the top turn and race into the stretch now as they approach the half, and up front they're still led by AA's Glory. Getting the pocket journey is April Dawn Star. Out first over now is Independent Gal, racing third at the rail in 4 is Show Hall. Picking up cover on the limb from 5 is Larshi Comes. Then Misfit is shuffled back to 6th, and to the outside from 7 is Good Morning Beautiful. They were past the half in 59 and 2/5 seconds. They continue on to the backstretch now for the final time. AA's Glory yet to be pressured on the front end. Still there, a length and a quarter in the pocket. Getting the trip, April Dawn Star second. Braving it first over is Independent Gal, racing third. Hemmed in at the rail in 4. That is Show Hall 5th, and second over is Larshi Comes at the rail in 6. Misfit. And still trailing is Good Morning Beautiful. 3/4 reached in 1:29 and 1/5 second. AA's Glory still in control. Still safe by a length and a quarter. In the pocket is April Dawn Star. Outside third, Independent Gal off the turn and into the lane now for the final time. And they're led home by AA's Glory. April Dawn Star now stepping to the outside. AA's Glory. April Dawn Star. AA's Glory winning the first filly division of the Mackenzie Stake, turning back April Dawn Star and Show Hall.